Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made this card using the Berry Sweet stamp set and the Bold ABC die set. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to make my own background with the blackberry stamps. The stamp set comes with two berries, which are strawberries and blackberries. This can also be a raspberry. And then here I just trimmed my white cardstock a little over 1/4 of an inch, and I stamped happy birthday and have a, because I will be using that to put as sentiments in just a little bit. Now I'm coloring my blackberries with my alcohol markers, and I'm starting from light to dark because this particular alcohol markers I'm using comes with two colors, so it's light and dark, so it takes the guesswork out of mixing and matching or what matches with what. And I'm coloring my shadow where the darkest part of the image is. Now I'm going over the leaves with my lightest color again, and when I go back on top of that with my darkest color, I'll be coloring it where those lines are on the leaves. As I'm watching this, I'm noticing that the shadows are looking harsh, but at the same time I'm looking at it like as if the sun is shining down on the fruit, and the tree, or I mean the leaves, are giving it like some sort of shade. I hope that makes sense, but I'm really loving this type of blend. And now I'm just going to add my highlights, and I'm putting the highlights where the lightest color is. It really makes these blackberries pop, and they look really plump and juicy, don't you think? And then I forgot to add highlights on one of those berries, so I'm going to go back over it and put some highlights. Now I'm just trimming down my sentiment strips, and I'm going to go ahead and matte my card front on a berry colored cardstock. Now I just die cut my letters there 5 times from the Bold ABC die set, and I'm just gluing these letters together. And these will be my focal point in the center of my card. And you can choose to add foam tape behind these, but I really like the way they look stacked together with cardstock. And I'm using my T-square ruler so that my letters, or the berry word, will be straight across my card front. Make sure you stick around in the end because I'm going to show you another card I made using the strawberries. And instead of me stamping the strawberries like I did the blackberries on the background, I actually cut them and then I added foam tape behind it to give it dimension. So now I'm putting some 1/8 inch foam tape behind my sentiment strips, and I'm going to add the have a right on top of the B, and then happy birthday at the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some tape behind my card front and put it on my card base. I really love the matte because it makes this card pop out. And for the last finishing touch, I'm going to add some of these sequins on my card. I just want to add these because I have a lot of white space. So sequins or any type of embellishment that you want to put will work. I think it covers up a lot of that white space, and I think it looks great. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this card. Let me know if you're team blackberry, raspberry, or strawberry. So there's the other card I made. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, for more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, please don't forget to follow us on the links down below. We would love for you to join us, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!